the spreaders because we're dip people in my family.
Me too. I love a good dip with sauce.
Yeah,
oh my
we're gonna
gosh.
have to share recipes.
Yes, I love a good dip with sauce.
And Lisa, I know how creative you are with everything, but you know, whether you're going to be putting, you know, whatever you're going to put in this, they're going to work. And you get 3 of these ramekins. They have what they call the pocket spreaders to them, and these are hard to find, because I've been looking. Clearance price will save you $12. There is no reorder. You get them for $21.98.
For 3.
For 3. There is Harvest, which are your pumpkins.
Yep.
And then your Fun Buffetti.
I mean, come on, look at that little kitty cat.
Right?
And then you got Mrs. I called her, I lovingly named her Mrs. Mummy.
Nice, Mrs. M.
And then you have your little Frankenstein there. These are, like, you have to get these for the holidays if you're having some kind of party.
Absolutely.
These are fun.
Even if you're not, I mean, it's so fun.
The kids will love them.
Yep. All right, Lisa, so tell us about these, please.
Well, first of all, if you don't know what a ramekin is, think of it as a miniature bowl, and think about how often you pull out a bowl. Like, you pick up the cheese spreads right at the grocery store. What are you going to put it in? So these are 10 ounces in capacity, so we're talking just a little over a cup. But then what's so brilliant is that pocket spreader. You can probably show it better on your side, you guys. But look at that. What's my biggest complaint? I bet, ladies, you too. You put your knife into your cheese board and it falls over into the cheese, right? Or the dip or whatever it is.
Absolutely.
That will never happen again. And think about what you pay just to get like 3 cheese knives, right? You get the matching ramekin that you can put hot in, so hot artichoke dips or buffalo dip. Put cold in, like your salsas, your bagel spreads, things like that. But again, layer these into charcuterie boards or just kind of use them on their own, because everyone tells a story of cuteness.
These are so good.
Would that be bad if I went back and bought myself a set?
No,
I sent them to her. I bought her the pumpkins, to be honest with you, because then I wanted her to be able to use them literally year-round.
That's exactly right. And look how they pair perfectly with the platter.
Pretty.
You layer them in. You know, it looks effortless. Doesn't this look like effortless? Like I just knew what I was. It just makes it so easy.
Because you do know what you're doing. That's why, Lisa, we're following your lead. Like, but it's so nice when you get these
We'll be over later.
Right? It's just nice when you get these pieces. You know they kind of match back. That makes entertaining. It takes one less thing off of your mind when you're entertaining. You're already worried about the food. You're already worried about, that's usually your first worry.
Right.
Then the afterthought is, what am I going to put this all on, or how am I going to present it? Well, guess what? You get this, you don't have to worry about that anymore.
Take it out of the plastic tray from the store and put it on this, and we're totally impressed. And the third one you could just set here. Perfect.
Yeah, nobody needs to know. And like, look what I did over here with that same bagel tray that I had on the witch's hat.
Oh, fun.
Now I layer in like my butter, then here's my cream cheese, and here's my apple butter for fall, right? Because you got to have.
Do you like apple butter?
And it smells like fall. But you know
what?
My
grandma used to make apple butter.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, she made homemade apple butter. I have to say, this is terrible, but I don't really like apple butter. And as a kid, I definitely didn't like it. But she made good shoe fly pie, and I love that. But I love, like you said, any kind of jams, any kind of thing like that. And I'm going to go back to what you just said, Lisa. It keeps it cold. Would I need to put this, if I was going to do like something in here that needed to be chilled, would I put this into the refrigerator and then bring it out?
Yeah, that's exactly right. You can either chill it in advance with empty, or you can fill it, but it'll keep it nice and cold for you. And it'll do the same thing with hot foods. And I know you ladies feel the same way. Is there any more stressful time than the holiday seasons about getting ready?
True.
Right? Anything you can do in advance, or any little thing that's going to help you, like stoneware, and keep it hotter longer or colder longer, sign me up.
And here's the other thing. I don't want to do the dishes later. So this is dishwasher safe. You know, I'm not the best entertainer, but you know, who wants to do the dishes? You don't want to have to some things are worth hand washing. But you know, you'll use them more if you know, hey, that dip from the store, if we're trying to encourage ourselves to eat vegetables with a little dip, here you go, it's cute. You could even divide these up actually into 3 gifts if you were willing to be generous.
Oh, I love that idea. Maybe fill it with some candy corn, wrap it in cello. I mean,
or some of our wonderful chocolates or something. Yeah, that's a great idea.
Yeah, I love that. And you guys, these matching spreaders, like the 3-stack pumpkins on the Figaro pumpkins.
That's adorable.
Absolutely adorable.
Aren't they cute?
I mean, come on. This is what makes entertaining fun. When you get things like this home, you don't have to think about it. You know you got that famous hot dip, that crab dip that you are famous for. Guess what? You throw it in there, put it in the oven, you're ready to go. You have that famous cold dip, whatever that cold dip is that you love, that with the salsa and the guacamole, all of that. You can put that in there, make it in advance, put it in the refrigerator. It's done. You bring these out. This looks so much more presentable than the little plastic containers or the, you know, the other containers that you get from the store. Or buy it from the store. Nobody would know the difference. You buy it from the store, you put it in here and serve it. People would think you did a lot of hard work.
All right, here's the thought. These Ramekins, each one is about $7.33 before the shipping and handling. So with it, I'll say $10 gift right here. Fill it up with favorite Halloween candy and give them as gifts.
No reorder. These are not coming back.
Are these not coming back either, Lisa?
They are not. They are not.
Okay, we will never see them again, as you said earlier, which was scary to me.
It was.
And pick up the platter with it. Why not?
Yeah,
that's
why not?
what
It's a
life
great
is
gift.
about.
I love that.
You know?
Yeah, exactly.
Lisa,
Exactly. Have some fun and smile.
thank you so very much. We'll be over later for that charcuterie board. It looked delicious.
Okay, welcome on in. We are going